Hey, it's Chris from Outbound Terrain. Hey, we're just going to go out and help a friend that's kind of stuck up in the Sierras. Just kind of loading some stuff up, getting ready to go. And you guys are welcome to come along for the ride, man. Hey, it's Chris, man. Just want to tell you, just give you a little brief, briefing on what's going on. So we're going to help a friend that's stuck up in the Sierras off near Eagle Lakes. This is what the outdoor community is about. This is what off-roaders do. They help each other, help them get out of a situation and whatever. You know, it's like it's my only day off. But I got a call from some buddies and some outdoor enthusiasts and outbound terrain guys that they needed some help. So I'm going to load up all my tools, bring the welder up there, we'll bring some cutoff saws, and I guess he had a frame failure on his trailer, so we're going to do that and get him out of there. He's probably about 20 miles off the main road of Interstate 80 near Eagle Lakes, which is near Donner Lakes. So let's go. This is what it's all about, man. Real men, real men. Are there any real men left out there? Hey, I'm gonna do some I'll go for it. Yeah. So hey, good afternoon. Hey, it's Chris from Outbound Terrain. New way to the channel. Hey, welcome to the channel. Hey, we're going out kind of on a recon rescue mission for a friend that kind of had a little problem up here in the high Sierras, I-80 near Fordyce Trail, kind of near there, and we're kind of going in, and we're gonna see what's going on. We don't really know yet. Like I said, welcome to the channel. We're up here in the Sierras. Ambient air temperature up here is probably, well, I don't think, what do you think, man? About what, 80 degrees?
Yeah,
something like that. So we're having a good time coming up here. Beautiful country. Welcome to the channel. I know I'm talking too much, but I know you guys love that. So anyways, so we'll get back to you, man. So we're just going to kind of case things out here, and once again, subscribe, please. And welcome to the channel, and talk to you in a few.
too much hair in the back room. Oh well.
Yeah, you're good, man. We're not here for a long time. We're here for a good time.
Oh yeah.
Oh. What do you think there, Captain?
Bring back memories, man. It's been a year.
Has it been a year?
Yeah.
It's a Pierce OHV.
Pierce OHV. Last time I was towing a trailer through this.
You were towing a trailer through that?
Yep.
Damn.
This is a little easier.
Man. Tight in here, brother. I like it. Fuck yeah. Having a good time. Whoopsie. There you go, you got it.
It was over here last time.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah, I guess it runs like this is a big drop when it's slow. That takes you back out, but you got to go. That hill's gnarly going up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I mean it's tough getting up. I think it's not it's one way going up.
No, is it? Nice caps.
Chris!
There he is, man. Hey.
Oh,
Welcome.
Welcome to the freaking YouTube channel.
Oh, it's fucking chilly up here. It's nice though, man.
It is chilly
Yeah.
up here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Well, shit, I'm gonna get a beer too.
Well, there you go. Nice place, buddy.
Oh, have you not been here?
No, I haven't actually.
Oh man,
God, it's fucking awesome, dude. How's the tent working out?
fucking awesome.
Fuck yeah.
It looks amazing.
I know. It does.
I think my nephew's up there right now.
Oh, is he?
Probably passed out. Go wake his dumb ass up.
Yeah, you know. It's a day off. It's always good to be passed out. Yeah, beautiful spot. So sorry, folks, I don't have my microphone hooked up. Don't have the mic. Left it at home. So we're out here in the top of the Sierras here, and just hanging out here. We'll see what we got as far as a rescue mission and getting things on the road and get ready to tow this gentleman out of here. You got some trout down there? So what river is this? Do we know? Feather River,
Eagle.
Oh, Eagle Lakes.
This feeds Eagle Lake.
Does it?
Yeah.
Nice, beautiful.
There's a little. This flows a little bit. I mean, right now the wind's blowing, but it's crystal clear. It was about the same depth, right, last year?
Uh-oh, what's that? It's a flying bird.
Same depth, right?
Oh my God.
Yeah, no, it hasn't gone down or up much. Because last year, I mean, the creek crossings basically.
Dude, the drive-in was a lot easier, man. It was
piece
like
of cake.
flattened out. There was no mud or no. There was a lot more mud last year.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there
What are these bolts for?
Oh, that's for the bracket, dude. I told you. I have an L bracket on both sides, and both sides of the L bracket fucking broke on the bend. Not the weld, the bend.
That's too low, though. That's not going to work now.
I told you.
No, hold on. I got an idea, though.
I know you have an idea. Your ideas are very crappy.
Bless you, my son.
I don't.
And the Blessed Sisters of Misery. I know them quite well.
I'm honestly thinking because this is the bend where like all the welds have held, all of them. So I think if we just weld,
You did a good job on those.
I think if we just weld the middle where the bend is, it should hold.
You got a good bead there, huh?
Yeah, I think if we just bend it back down and then weld it up. Why don't we lay a bead first before you
We
start
gotta do that
bolting?
side. If I can get this on there, we can crank it together.
Yeah, but what's that gonna do? It's gotta hold it to the frame.
No, I wanted to get it like that. I thought it was
Yeah.
going to hold it like that, but this part's a little longer. It's 3.5.
We can bend it. You want to bend it? You brought the angle grinder. We can bend it up. Get a little L bend in. It's not going to be the
Right
same.
there is going to hold it together. I mean, even if the bust, it's not going to go anywhere.
Yeah.
With these in,
They don't reach.
well, it did here. I didn't know it was this big though.
Dude, I think we just weld up the middles, dude. Here, let's bend it back into place.
You need to get a weld on it, but you need to put something that's going to strengthen it. It's just going to do the same thing. I can stand on it while you weld.
We will get an arc. That's what I like about you. Look at you. Freaking Sasquatch of the freaking Plumas National. Actually, we're in the Tahoe National Forest, right?
We're in Pierce OHV.
The OHV Highway
Pierce.
Vehicle.
Actually, this isn't even Pierce. This is actually just outside of Pierce.
Is it really? You guys didn't tell me about this place.
Oh. I was like, where'd it go?
I never knew this place was up here. I've been to Fordyce. I'll never do Fordyce again. I lost a front drive line on Fordyce.
Weld it? Yeah. Weld it? Yeah.
Alright. Fordyce.
Look at it.
They're gonna fix a trailer. Broke. Alright. We're out in the middle of nowhere. I got the little Lincoln welder here to try to weld up his off-road trailer so we can get it back home. Sorry again, guys, don't have the microphone left it at home. See, the audio quality is going to suck. That's okay. We're just hanging out up here. Going to California. The Sierra's off Highway 80 near Fordyce Road. Fordyce Trail. See if we get this mama going. Mark over there. Mark's a pretty good welder. We'll get it going.
Glad the generator's handling it.
Rounds in here. P238.
Alright. Nice work. What do you got now? What are we running now?
XT9 mil.
Good. Strong work.
Rounds. All right, Chris, what are we firing today?
We're firing whatever we want.
That is the 9mm XD. XD9 by Springfield.
Yeah.
Get her loaded, eyes and ears. All right, Chris, what are we live firing? We got a live range.
Yeah, we got a, yeah.
Springfield XD9.
Yes, sir.
3 targets.
You ready? Here we go.
I'm ready. Cover the target with the sights. Squeeze slowly. Hey! Dominoes.
I'm a little rusty, man.
You still got live ammunition.
I know. Thank you, sir. Chris and Ray, we're heading back, man. Went out and helped a friend, Mark, up way up there, and had some problems with his trailer, off-road trailer. We went and helped him kind of weld up some joints, kind of just reinforce so we can pull that thing out of there. We're really happy about that, be able to help a friend, another fellow off-roader, and we're heading back into town. And we want to thank you for joining us here at Outbound Terrain, the place that rocks, that never stops. The Ayatollah of rock and rolla. That's you, right? All right, man. Say goodnight, Ray.
Welding, grinding, and wheeling.
There you go, man.
Good night.
The master welder right here, man. Okay, so we're out of here. You guys take care, and we'll see you on the next channel, on the next video. Sorry. It's Chris from Outbound Terrain. Adios, amigos.